The future of war won't start with tanks crossing borders. It will begin with a mechanical buzz, so quiet you might mistake it for a bee. But in reality, it's a machine, watching, tracking, and maybe striking before you ever see it. Drones are changing everything. They're cheaper than jets, smarter than bullets, and safer than sending soldiers into combat. In Ukraine, drones are not a side tool. They are the main force. More than 2 million drones were produced by Ukraine in 1 year. Some are used for spying, others for striking. Reports say over 60% of Russia's vehicle losses were due to drones. A military drone doesn't need a pilot on site. Operators sit in a safe room, sometimes thousands of kilometers away, using joysticks, screens, and secure satellite links. Drones send back live video. The operator locks onto the target, then one click and it's done. Some drones don't even wait for commands. AI drones can scan, select, and strike without real-time control. Drone control is evolving. At first it was just joysticks and video feeds. Now, virtual reality goggles, AI brain-computer links, even gestures. Some swarms fly without needing direct human input. They move together like birds, sharing data instantly. If one is taken down, the rest continue the mission. Not all drones are deadly. Some deliver medical kits in battle zones. Others scan collapsed buildings or rescue flood victims. When humans can't go, drones do. They're helping soldiers survive, saving civilians, and bringing supplies to places no one else can reach. Drones are everywhere. You don't need a big army to use them, just some software, a blueprint, and internet access. Terror groups and rogue nations are catching up. Meanwhile, powerful countries are developing smarter systems, swarms, AI, and jamming-proof drones. Countries like India, Sweden, and the United States are testing drone weapons that confuse radar, dodge missiles, and even think for themselves. So how do we stop drone attacks? New anti-drone weapons are being created. Some shoot high-energy lasers. Others use jammers to cut off signals. Some fire nets in the air. Smart defenses are also digital. AI can scan the sky for drone movement and auto-block unknown devices. And protected areas now use drone shields, invisible barriers that block drones from flying in. This is the new reality. War doesn't need armies. It needs code, signals, and flying machines. In the wars of tomorrow, silence will be deadly. And the winner won't just be the country with the most drones, it will be the one with the smartest software. The question now is not if drones will change war. The question is, are we ready for the wars they bring?